Hello everybody, it's me again, Andrew Wong, cosplayer and fitness fanatic. So anyhow, today I'm giving you another tip on how you can keep fit and burn all those calories and reduce your body fat percentage so that you look cut and at the same time make some money. And that is gardening. Yesterday I spent 6 hours and I spent another 6 hours today doing some gardening from a referral from a church that I go to. So someone gave me a call, asked me if I wanted to do some gardening. I said yes. I rocked over to the person's place and for 6 hours I did all this gardening and mostly weeding and hauling big buckets of noxious weeds, and I got paid for it, and at the same time I burnt all these calories. See, the thing is, doing domestic housework, that can be cleaning, mopping, wiping surfaces down, and of course gardening, burns calories. And when you burn calories, you reduce that body fat percentage so you can have a well defined muscles. And if you do what I did, whereby I actually did some gardening and got paid for it, I got fit at the same time and got paid for it. So the thing is, see, things like our Airtasker, for instance. You can go into Airtasker, find a task which involves domestic housework or gardening, and when you're doing that, you're getting paid and burning calories. That is so good. So anybody want to burn some calories, make some money, go to Airtasker, do some domestic housework or gardening. And I'll see you soon.